Today, I'm going to talk about a big giveaway from my new book, The Wizard's Craftbook. So, as most of you know, I have a new book coming out and it is being released today. And that book is The Wizard's Craftbook. It is 50 magical DIYs inspired by Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts, Merlin, and even our favorite Disney witches and wizards. So, with that, I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys of a signed copy of my book, and it will also include a book pack. So I am going to sell this book pack on Etsy, as well as some other potion labels and things like that. I'm not going to sell potions on there just yet, but that may be to come. But I'm going to start by selling pre-printed and cut out sticker paper labels for your potions, and I'll put those in different assortments and things like that. But the book pack is going to include all of the labels that are in the book, pre-printed and cut out. It's going to include wings for the flying keys, but they're also the wings I use for fairy wings. So if you don't want to do the flying keys, you could use them for that. It's going to come with the design that you need for the Hocus Pocus candle pre-printed out for you. It is going to come with vinyl transfer sheet, as well as the vinyl cutouts of the Cornish pixies and the mandrake pot stencil, as well as the Gellert Grindelwald skull hookah stencil. And like I said, all of these things will be 100% ready to go for you. So all you'll have to do is get your bottles or your skull or your flower pot, and you will be ready to go to start making these crafts. All you need to do to qualify to win this worldwide giveaway of the signed copy of my book, the book pack, and potentially some other special items from me is to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then you need to put a comment in this video that says, "Keep making magic." And then I will post a photo of the giveaway on my Instagram page. You need to follow my Instagram page and like the photo. And if you repost the photo and use the hashtag #TheWizardsCraftbook, I'll give you an extra chance to win the drawing. So this drawing is going to go until the 31st of March. I will announce the winner then. And good luck to you guys, because I can't wait for you guys to get this book in your hands. And like I said, it is on the book selling stands today. So it is available all over right now. So if you guys are interested in getting this book, I would really appreciate it. I put a lot of heart and soul into it, and I think you guys will love it. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.